Welcome to True Research Chemicals and Company. Are you struggling with cooling tower issues related to scale and corrosion? Look no further. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to providing you with the best solutions for your cooling tower, antiscalant, and corrosion problems. Join our community of like-minded professionals, engineers, and enthusiasts as we explore the latest innovations and techniques in the realm of cooling tower water treatment. We offer valuable insights, tips, and step-by-step guides to ensure your cooling towers run efficiently and cost-effectively. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our regular uploads of informative videos, case studies, and product reviews. Our team of experts is committed to addressing your queries and providing personalized solutions to your unique challenges. At True Research Chemicals and Company, we take pride in our high-quality antiscalant and corrosion chemicals. Backed by extensive research and development, our products are designed to enhance the longevity and performance of your cooling systems. Whether you're an industry professional or a curious individual, our channel aims to educate and empower you to make informed decisions for your cooling tower maintenance. Like, share, and comment on our videos to help us grow and reach out to more individuals in need of effective cooling tower solutions. Don't miss out on any valuable content. Hit the notification bell to receive instant updates whenever we upload new videos. Let's embark on this journey together towards efficient and reliable cooling tower operations. Join us on our YouTube channel today and witness the power of True Research Chemicals and Company in revolutionizing your cooling tower management. Thank you for being a part of our community. We look forward to having you with us on this exciting endeavor.